I love camping. The owl hooting, the peaceful nature, and of course, all the yummy snacks. Yeah, it is so nice and relaxing. What's that sound? What's that sound? A raccoon! Ah! Did you see that raccoon? It ate all my chips. That was crazy. Anyway, let's talk about our story for this week. Are you ready? Let's get started. Yuki and her family went camping for the first time. They set up their tent near a lake and used a compass to find the trail back to their campsite. Yuki loved being in nature. She could see stars at night because there were no city lights. They cooked dinner over an open fire and toasted marshmallows until they were golden. When it was time to sleep, Yuki listened to the sound of the forest. She heard crickets and the wind in the trees. In the morning, she woke up early to make breakfast and watch the sunrise over the lake. Camping helped Yuki feel brave and thankful for the outdoors. Welcome back. Did you like the story? Now it's your turn. Read the story yourself 3 times and find the sight words and vocabulary words in the story. When you finish, answer the questions on the other page. If it is a little difficult, it's okay. Just watch the video again. See you next time.